Hello and welcome to Ashley's Math Video Project. In this video, we'll be solving a quadratic problem. The question reads, at present, Sandra's age in years is 8 more than the square of her daughter Sarah's age. When Sarah grows to her mother's present age, Sandra's age will be 2 years less than 14 times the present age of Sarah. Find the present ages of both Sandra and Sarah. Since the ages of Sandra and Sarah are both unknown, we're going to let Sandra's age represent y, and Sandra's daughter's age represent x. In the question, it states that Sandra's age is 8 more than the square of her daughter Sarah's age. So we're going to put that into a formula of y equals x squared plus 8. Once Sarah grows to her mother's present age, Sandra's age would be in the formula y plus y subtract x, because there's Sandra's current age plus her age again, which is what her daughter's age will be, subtract her daughter's current age. The simplified version of that is 2y subtract x. The question says that Sandra's age would be 2 years less than 14 times the present age of Sarah once Sarah grows to her mother's present age. This means that 2y subtract x will equal 14x subtract 2. Since we already know that Sandra's age is y equals x squared plus 8, we can use x squared plus 8 to replace y in our equation, giving us 2 and then in brackets x squared plus 8, and then subtract x equals 14x subtract 2. After we expand, we're given 2x squared plus 16 subtract x equals 14x subtract 2. Now we are able to bring the negative x from the one side to join it with the 14x on the other side, giving us 15x. So now our equation is 2x squared plus 16 equals 15x subtract 2. Now in order to solve the equation, we have to make the equation equal 0. So we're going to bring the 15x subtract 2 to the other side, giving us 2x squared subtract 15x plus 18 equals 0. Because the equation is not factorable, we're going to have to use the quadratic formula, which is x equals negative b plus minus square root b squared subtract 4ac over 2a. And our ABC is a equals 2, b equals negative 15, and c equals 18. Since we now have our ABC, we can put them into the quadratic formula, giving us x equals 15 plus minus the square root of negative 15 squared subtract 4 times 2 times 18 over 2 times 2. This will then give us x equals 15 plus minus the square root of 81 over 4. So now we have to find our x1 and x2. So x1 will equal 15 plus the square root of 81 divided by 4, giving us the answer of 6. And x2 is 15 subtract the square root of 81 over 4 equals 1.5. Now we're going to take our x1 and x2 and put them into the formula. Y equals 1.5 squared plus 8 equals 10.25. This is not possible. So now we're going to try with 6. So y equals 6 squared plus 8 equals 44. Therefore, the present age of Sandra and Sarah is 6 and 44. Thank you for listening to my video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me.